Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the sound format and location so the alarm can access it. First, pick an MP3, WAV, or M4A and trim it to the section you want. Shorter clips avoid cutoff. Once done, save the file to internal storage or a cloud folder that your alarm or clock app can read. Make sure permissions for storage are enabled, otherwise the app cannot see new sounds. Now open the clock or alarm app and get ready to add a custom sound. You now import the trimmed file and assign it to a specific alarm. In the clock app, create or edit an alarm, then tap sound or ringtone, choose add or browse to navigate to the folder where you saved the audio. Once selected, preview it to confirm the correct cue and adjust alarm volume or media volume if available. Because some systems separate alarm and media volume, make sure the alarm volume is high enough. Finally, save the alarm, your custom sound. You finish by testing and handling common failures. Set the alarm for a minute ahead and wait. If the sound plays, you are done. If silent, first check storage permissions and that battery optimization isn't killing the clock app, then confirm the file format is supported. Make sure Do Not Disturb rules allow alarms. If problems persist, convert the audio to MP3 or WAV, re-import, or pick a built-in tone as a temporary fallback. This systematic check usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.